Hello, this is L2L Support. Welcome to this tips and tricks video on using the Technician Dispatch portal for reactive maintenance. New and old customers will both likely look to gain value from maintenance event management. Use these general tips to better identify common issues in your maintenance and production environment. After you have logged into L2L, use the home page to review your work backlog. Take note of any newly assigned dispatches that you may not be aware of. Next, hover over your avatar and select My Calendar to view your assigned work for the upcoming week and month. You may work with your planner on any necessary changes or discrepancies. Now hover over the cloud icon for dispatch and select Technician Portal. This is where your technician resources will execute work in L2L. Each dispatch is represented with a color, type, and various colors to tell us what is happening within the operation. Select a dispatch by clicking on the plus button on the right side, or within the white space of the dispatch card. Each node within the dispatch has relevance to the event either as a required or optional field. Required fields are highlighted with a red hue, while optional are gray. As a resource is ready to respond to a dispatch, simply click the Dispatch Me avatar represented by this green human silhouette and plus sign. You are now actively responding to this dispatch, so grab your tools and let's get to work. After you have finished repairing the machine, it is time to document what actions you took to troubleshoot and repair the equipment. Depending on the device used and your company's policy, you may have access to L2L during the repair as well. Next, let's document the actions and components. Actions tell us what we did to perform the repair or troubleshoot the problem. Components are used to tell us where on the equipment these actions were taken. Both are used to identify common issues and repeat problems before they become failures stopping or reducing production throughput. You may enter as many actions as are necessary with a corresponding component of the equipment. Finally, add comments to each entry to better describe to your colleagues and leadership what you experienced during the troubleshooting and repair process. Assuredly, there will be a time when a breakdown dispatch repair of the machine is completed under pressure, and a follow-up repair will be necessary to further address the issues found. In this example, select the related node represented by a chain icon and create a follow-up action. For this case, let's create a code yellow dispatch, or sometimes referred to as corrective maintenance dispatch, with a description of the follow-up repair needed. If your site uses reason codes to describe the root cause, please enter that data into the details node of the dispatch as well. Now save and close the breakdown dispatch, leaving the new dispatch in queue to be worked on when production is not scheduled. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.